Hi friends, I am Sourav Dutta and today I am going to show you how to apply digital ration card online in West Bengal, step by step. First visit this website. In the home page, you have to click the link application form for non-subsidized ration card or conversion to non-subsidized ration card. You should enter his 10-digit valid mobile number and click on Get OTP button. Enter the OTP sent to the provided mobile number and click on Validate button. Once the mobile number is verified, applicant needs to select any one option available on the screen. Who wants to convert existing digital card to non-subsidized digital ration card should choose the option existing digital ration card holder, PHH, SPHH, RKSYI card, in the screen. Steps for new applicant who do not have any digital ration card and want to apply for non-subsidized digital ration card should choose the option new applicant don't have any digital ration card in the screen. Fill up your all details step by step. Old paper card category, if any, then select category, otherwise no card. Search fair price shop by 1. Ward wise, 2. Municipality wise, 3. District wise. You select any one. Select the fair price shop from which you pick up the ration. Select the ration shop from which place you will pick up the ration. Relation with Hof. In case applicant is head of the family, he/she should choose head in relation field. Fill up your personal details step by step. Details will be displayed in a screen. You can add another member by clicking on Add Another Member button and filling all the details of the member, and click on Show Member button to display the member details. Once all the members have been added successfully, applicant needs to click on Save and View Application button. Verify all the details entered correctly and check the declaration form and do the summation and click on Submit button. Application submitted successfully message will be displayed along with generated application no for further use. You can download his/her application by clicking on Download Application button or by clicking on the download link provided below on the interface using his/her application no. Filled in application form that can be downloaded is given in an XRI.
If required, you will be asked to produce any of the above documents, scan and Xerox for verification through mail and SMS.